If Adobe Premiere Pro is giving you error 0xc000007B, don't worry. This is a common Windows application error, and it usually means there's a problem with missing, corrupted, or mismatched 32-bit and 64-bit files. In many cases, the issue comes from DirectX files, Microsoft Visual C++ distributables, graphics drivers, or a damaged Premiere Pro installation. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Premiere Pro launching normally again. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. First, understand what this error means. Error 0xc000007B usually appears when a program tries to load a file that does not match the correct Windows architecture. For Premiere Pro, that often points to a corrupted Visual C++ file or a DirectX component that is missing or broken. So the first fix is to repair the Microsoft Visual C++ distributables. Open your Windows settings and go to Apps, then find every Microsoft Visual C++ distributable installed on your computer. Uninstall all of them one by one. After that, go to Microsoft's official website and download the latest x86 and x64 versions of Visual C++ distributable. Install both versions, then restart your computer. This step is important because Premiere Pro and related Adobe components often rely on these runtime files to open correctly. Next, repair DirectX. Download the DirectX end-user runtime web installer from Microsoft and run it as administrator. Even if DirectX is already installed, this tool can replace missing or corrupted .dll files that may be causing the crash. Once the installer finishes, restart your PC again and test Premiere Pro. If you still see the error, the next step is to run Premiere Pro as administrator. Right-click the Premiere Pro shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app full permission to access the files and services it needs during startup. If the program opens this way, you can also set it to always run as administrator by opening Properties, going to Compatibility, and enabling that option. Now let's move on to your graphics driver. A bad or outdated GPU driver can trigger startup errors in Premiere Pro, especially if the application cannot communicate correctly with your graphics hardware. If you use NVIDIA, download the latest NVIDIA Studio driver and choose the Clean Installation option during setup. If you use AMD or Intel, install the latest driver from the official website and perform a clean install if that option is available. After the driver finishes installing, restart your computer once more. This can fix a lot of hidden compatibility issues. If none of those steps solve the problem, the final fix is to reinstall Adobe Premiere Pro and Creative Cloud. First, uninstall Premiere Pro from your system, then uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud as well. After that, restart your computer, download the latest Creative Cloud desktop app from Adobe, and reinstall Premiere Pro from scratch. This can repair broken installation files that may be causing the 0xc000007B error in the first place. After reinstalling, launch Premiere Pro again and check if the issue is gone. In most cases, one of these fixes will resolve the problem and get you back to editing without crashes. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.